Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to check profit on Binance PnL. So the first step that you have to do is launch the application. So log into your Binance account and make sure that you're on home screen. So the PnL profit and loss. So the feature shows your trading performances and across your Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can check profit on Binance PnL. So first step is open the Binance application, log into your Binance account and make sure that you're on the home screen. So the PnL or the profit and loss feature shows your trading performance across all your positions. Next is go to wallet. So tap on the wallet icon at the bottom of the screen. So this take you to your portfolio overview where you can see all your holdings and performance metrics. Third step is to select futures or spot. So choose between spot wallet or futures wallet depending on where you want to check your PnL. So each trading type has its own profit and loss tracking. Next is view PnL summary. So look for the PnL section which shows your total PnL, unrealized PnL, open positions, and realized PnL, which are closed positions. So you can also see percentage gains or losses. And lastly is to view detailed history. So tap on the transaction history or PnL details to see a breakdown of individual trades, including entry price, exit price, fees, and profit loss for each completed trade. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!